Okay, let's just jump right in. What if you could build a custom app for your business just by describing it? I mean, seriously. Today we're going to show you exactly how a simple text prompt can transform into a super powerful, interactive tool that you can share with literally anyone. And get this, no coding, no need to hire developers, just your idea brought to life. I mean, think about it. You're on a sales call and you need a custom calculator right there on the spot. Or maybe a unique dashboard for a big client. Normally, that's a project that takes weeks, maybe months. But what if you could just ask for it? I know it sounds a little like magic, right? But it's a real thing, and that's exactly what we're going to unpack.
So check this out. What you're looking at right here is a fully interactive ROI calculator. It was built for a content business. A client can just plug in their own data, and boom, they instantly see how much money they'd save by using AI. But you know, the most impressive part? The entire tool you see on screen was generated from a simple text prompt. Let's dig into exactly how that happened.
All right, so the magic behind all this has a name. It's a feature called Artifacts, and it's designed to do one thing really well: turn your descriptions into actual functional applications.
So at its core, this is way more than just generating text or a pretty picture. We're talking about building real, tangible, usable tools. Things you can actually interact with. You just describe what you want, and the AI literally builds it for you. It's pretty wild.
Honestly, the best way to wrap your head around it is this. It's almost like creating a little mini app or a website, but it all happens right inside your chat window. You don't need any complex software or development environments. It just gives you this straight shot from your idea to a working product.
Okay, so how do you actually make one of these things? Well, it all boils down to the prompt. And you should think of it less like you're coding and more like you're writing a really, really clear recipe. A great recipe gets you a great meal. Same idea here.
So, this block of text you see here, believe it or not, that is the entire instruction set that was used to create that calculator we saw. I know, it might look a little dense at first glance, but it's actually just a super logical set of instructions. It's just telling the AI, hey, here's the tool's purpose, here's the data I need you to ask the user for, here's what to calculate, and hey, here's how I want it to look. So let's break that down piece by piece.
A really good prompt, one that actually works, follows a clear structure, just like that recipe. You start with the objective. What is this tool even for? Then you define the user inputs. What information does it need to get from the user? Next, you specify the tool outputs. What results or calculations should it spit out? And finally, you can even add design notes to tweak the look and feel. Getting each of these parts right is absolutely key.
All right, let's talk inputs. This is really the foundation of any interactive tool, right? The AI has to know exactly what data to ask for. For our calculator, the prompt was super specific. It asked for 3 things: monthly hours spent, the number of videos to create, and the cost per video. And being that specific is so important because it prevents any confusion and makes sure the tool actually works the way you want it to.
And just as important as the inputs are, of course, the outputs. The prompt didn't just say, do some math. No, it asked for a story. It wanted a clear, side-by-side comparison of manual versus AI costs, a big, bold annual savings number, and a simple ROI metric. See, these outputs are designed to answer that one crucial question every client has. So what? What's in it for me?
Okay, so we've seen the recipe. We've broken down the ingredients. Now, let's see the magic happen. This is that moment where those text instructions we just looked at transform into a real, live, fully functional app.
And honestly, this quote just nails the feeling. The first time you type out a really detailed prompt, you hit enter, and you see a working tool just appear on your screen, you really will be surprised by what comes out. It's kind of breathtaking.
So here we are back at the finished product, but this time you actually understand the blueprint behind it all. Remember, this isn't just a static picture. It's a live tool. Every single slider, every input field, it's all there because of that prompt we wrote. And every calculation updates in real time, exactly like we told it to.
And here's the payoff in action. Let's say a client is spending 2 lakh rupees a month on video production. They plug that in, and they see their cost could drop to just 15,000. That's an annual savings of over 22 lakh rupees. Can you just imagine the impact of showing that calculation live during a sales pitch? It's a game changer. And a tool like this, it's not just for you. With literally one click, you can publish it and get a shareable link. And just like that, your idea goes from a private chat to a professional, interactive asset that you can send to anyone, and they can open it on any device. Pretty cool, right?
Look, an ROI calculator is just one example.
It's a great one, but it's really just the tip of the iceberg. Once you get the hang of this process, you can start building all kinds of custom tools for pretty much any business need you can think of.
I mean, you could build interactive flashcards for new team members, or a simulator to help visualize a complex workflow, or even a tool that takes messy data and instantly turns it into clean charts. The basic rule is simple. If you can describe it clearly, you can probably build it.
So we've seen how a simple description, just a block of text, can become a real, shareable, interactive tool. The question now isn't really if you can build something like this. The question is, what will you build? What's that one tedious calculation, that one repetitive task, or that one complex idea at your job that you're going to solve first?